Today, we will learn what is area. Look here. We have drawn a shape on a paper. We see that this shape is covering some area of this paper. The area covered by the shape is called the area of that shape. Or we can say that the extent of the surface covered by the closed shapes is called its area. The question is, how do we find out the total area of this shape? Can you guess? Think for a while. Let me tell you. For this, we compare the area of the shape with a square whose side is as much as a unit distance, such as a square with side 1 millimeter, square with side 1 centimeter, a square with side 1 meter, etc. We take the area of such a square as 1 square unit. 1 square unit, which is abbreviated as this. For example, the area of a square with side 1 millimeter is 1 square millimeter. We represent it briefly as 1 square mm or 1 square. Similarly, the area of a square with side 1 centimeter can be written as 1 square centimeter, that is, 1 square centimeter of 1 centimeter square. And the area of a square with side 1 meter can be written as 1 square meter, that is, 1 square meter or 1 meter square. Let us compare this size here with a square having an area of 1 square centimeter and find how many times this size is larger than a square with area 1 square centimeter. For this, we will use a graph paper. Here, squares with sides 1 centimeter are formed on this square paper. We will take a tracing paper and draw the outer boundary of the closed figure shown on it. We will place the tracing paper on the square paper. Now, we will find out how many squares with side 1 centimeter are covering the area of this shape. Here, we see that a total of 6 squares are covering the entire area of this figure. Therefore, we can say that the area of this shape is 6 times larger than the area of the square of side 1 centimeter. Since the area of a square with side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter, we can say that the area of this size is 6 into area of the square with side 1 centimeter, that is 6 into 1 square centimeter, that is 6 square centimeters. So what will be the area of the figure given below? Think for a while. You've got it right. The area of the figure here is covered by 12 squares with side 1 centimeter. So the area of this shape will be 12 square centimeters. Today, we learned what is area. In the next video, we will learn how to identify area. Today, we will learn the convention of finding area. Can you tell the area of this shape? Think for a while. Here, we see that the entire area of the figure is not covered by squares of unit distance. In such a situation, a convention helps us to measure the area. Let us understand this and find the area of this shape. Rule 1. The area of a square is taken as one square unit. The unit distance in this shape is 1 centimeter. So here the area of a whole square will be 1 square centimeter. Now let's count the number of whole squares in this figure. We will go from left to right in each row, starting from the top row and counting the number of whole squares. We will do this as shown. In this way, the number of whole squares in the shape is 9. Since the area of an entire square is 1 square centimeter, we can say that the area enclosed by the whole squares is 9 into 1 square centimeter, which is equal to 9 square centimeters. Rule 2. If less than half of a square lies within the shape, then the area of that square is ignored. As we see here, only less than half of each highlighted square lies within the shape. So we will ignore this area. In this way, the area covered by less than half the squares is equal to 0 square centimeter. Rule 3. If more than half of a square lies within the shape, its area is considered to be 1 square centimeter. Here, we have 5 such squares. Therefore, we can say that the area covered by more than half the squares is equal to 5 into 1 square centimeter, which is equal to 5 square centimeters. Rule 4. If exactly half of a square lies within the shape of its area, it is considered to be half a square centimeter. There is a total of 4 such squares here, so the area surrounded by half squares is 4 into half square centimeter, which is equal to 2 square centimeters. In this way, the total area of the shape is 9 square centimeter plus 0 square centimeter plus 5 square centimeters plus 2 square centimeter, which is equal to 16 square centimeters. Now look at this picture. If the area of each square on the square paper shown here is 1 square centimeter, what will be the area of the given shape? Find out for yourself and discuss it with your teacher to find out whether your answer is right or wrong. So today, we learned the convention to find the area.